we can see that uses of double equal to and triple equal to in JavaScript. So first we can see that let number 1 10, then number 2 is also 10, but data type is different. So first we see double equal to, how it's work. So console log number 1 and number 2. Now here two variable we take, number 1 and number 2. Number 1 value is 10 and its data type is integer form, number form, and second variable is number 2 and its value also 10 but in string form. Now here what do in double equal operator, it is check its value, not check its data type, so its result should be true. So that is usage of double equal to. And now we can see triple equal to. What is usage of? Triple equal to, it is used to compare value with its data type. Suppose here is number and here integer, so its data type is different, so it will throw false result. Now we can see after run this file. Now here see that number 1 and number 2 is true because of its values same but data type is different. But here when you use triple equal to, then it is check its value with data types. So its data types is different is number 2 but value is same, so it's throw false. So triple equal to, it will use to compare value and also its data type. So triple equal to, it will use to compare data types also. So this main difference of that equal to and triple equal to.